Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we complete? Relations. What is the relations? First, R is equal to. Relations means, what is the relation? For example, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. 1 related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to D. This is the relation. The relation write in the set form by using the ordered pair. Each relation in the ordered pair. 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma D. This is the relation. A is the relation of 1, B is the relation of B, D is the relation of D. This relation. Domain. Domain is equal to, in the order pair, the all first elements are called domain. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Range. In the ordered pair, second elements are called range. Range is equal to A, B, D. Codomain. Codomain means all elements in the second set. The first set, second set. The all elements in the second set is called codomain. A, B, C, D. Not depending on the mapping. The all elements in the set codomain. Only mapping elements in the set, in the second set, is called range. Okay. Next, range, there are number of problems are completed. Next, today, let us go to the next topic. First topic, Cartesian product. Second topic, relations. Next, today topic is functions. Function. What is the function? A relation f from means f is a function. F is a function. Function A to B, set A to set B. Function is set A to set B. So f is a function. F from a set A to a set B. A set A to set B. A to B. Okay. A to B is said to be a function. Is said to be a function if every element of set A, okay, prati element set A, prati element, every element of set A has one and only one single mapping, the image in set B. What is the image? A is the image of 1. A is the image of 1. So 1 is the pre-image of A. 1 is the pre-image of A. So A set A has all every element in set A has one and only one element, one image in set B. Image in set B, only one. Okay, now if every element in set A, okay, there is no balance. Every element ki one image, only one image, single image in B. This is called a function. For example, this is the function. 1 has A, 2 has B, 3 has D. The all element in set A has images, single images or double images? Single images. This is the function. Tick out. Next. 1, 2, 3. Is a function? Is a function? Not a function, because every element in set A has one and only image, one and only one image. So 1 has how many images? 3 images. 3 images. So this is not a function. Next, another one. Is a function? First one function A, second one no, not a function, not functional. This is third one is a function. Third one is a function. Is a function. Yes. is a function. Yes, because one has, for this is A and for example, one has image A. One has how many images? Only one images. 2 has how many images? One image. 3 has how many images? Single images. So if three elements has only same image, that is not important. The all elements in set A has the same image, that is not important. Every element in set A has only one and only one image in B. This is the important. The same image, the all elements in A has the same image or different images, it is nothing. Okay, this is the function. So last example. This is the function. This is the function, not function, because every element in A has one and only one image in B. So 1 has image A, 2 has image B, but 3 has no image. 3 has no image. So this is not a function. So many examples are there. Okay. So what is the definition? A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in B. In a set B, this is called function. Definition. Okay. This is one example. So many examples. Okay. Next, one important results in total chapter. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A set. A is a set. The set A has how many elements? 3 elements. 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. Okay. The number of subsets. Number of subsets. How many number of subsets? What is the power set? The collection of all subsets of the given set. So n of power set of A. So number of power sets. Number of power sets or number of subset in the set A. Set A has how many subsets? Set A has how many subsets? or number of power set of A. Formula 2 power no. One mark important results. 2 by n is equal to number of elements in set A. 2 cube is equal to A2. Same. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to AB. Number of A cross B. A cross B. Number A cross B means 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 2, 3A, 3B. This is the A cross B. Order pairs. So number of Cartesian products. How many elements in A cross B? How many elements in A cross B is equal to formula n of A into n of B. N of A is equal to how many elements in A? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Oh. This is the first one. Second result to second result. Next. Set A has elements 1 to 3 elements. Set B has 2 elements. Number of relations. Number of relations. Number of relation A to B. How many? A set to B set to A to B. How many relations? So number of relation from A to B is equal to 2 power n of a into n of b. So 2 power n of a is equal how many elements in a? 3. How many elements b? So 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is equal to 16, 64. Number of relations. Number of relation from set A to B is 2 power formula 2 power PQ or 2 power n of A into n of B. This is 3 results up to relations. Okay, this is very important result. Next, okay, clear? What is the number of subsets equal to 2 power n? Number of Cartesian products equal to P into Q. Number of relations to 2 power P into Q. This is the results. F of x is equal to x square problem. let f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to 2x plus 1. G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f into g of x and f by g of x. This is the problem. Very important problem. F of x, g of x are given. Find out f plus g, f minus g, f into g. 1. First one, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. F of x plus g of x. F of x is equal to x square. G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is x plus 1 whole square. Simplify. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Next one, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So f of x is equal to x square minus of 2x plus 1. So x square minus 2x minus 1. No. Next, f into g of x is equal to f of x into g of x. F of x is equal to into means the two functions multiplication, plus means the two functions plus, minus means the two functions difference. X square into 2x plus 1. X square into 2x, 2x cube plus x square into 1, x square. Next, f by g of x is equal to f of x by g of x. So f of x is equal to x square by g of x is equal to 2x plus 1. No. This is one of the important problem. Okay. Simple and important. Exercise 2.3, first problem. Which of the following relations are functions? Which of the following relations, and relations are given, that given relation is function or not? Function or not? Not a function means give reason. So it is a function means find domain and range. The given relation is a function. Given relation function ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಡೊಮೈನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೊಮೈನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಇಮೇಜ್, ನೋ ರೇಂಜ್, ನೋ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 2,1 5,1 8,1 11,1 14,1 17,1. Second bit. One comma 3, 1,5, 2,5. So this is the relation. Okay, solution. This is the relation. Okay, relation is nothing but Cartesian product. So what is a set? So for example, domain, codomain. Okay, so first elements 2, 5, 8. We go 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Set A. Set B, all are 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2 has 1, 5 has 1, 8 has 1, 11 has 1, 14 has 1, is 1. This is the given function is a function or not? Is a function or not? Functional? This is a function. What is the definition of function? Every element in set A has only one and only one image in B. So 2 has how many images? 1. 5 has how many images? 1. 8 has 1. 11 has 1. 4 has 1. 17 has 1. One image important too. So the same image is not important too. So one image. This is the point. So is a function. Function means right, domain and range. It is a function. It is a function determine domain and range. What is the domain? Domain is equal to what? Domain is equal to, in the order pair all first elements are called domain. So 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. What is the range? Range is equal to, in the order pair second elements are called range. Only one element. This is the range. So second one. Second one. 1, 1, 2 means 1, 2. 1, 2 times. So we can write one time. So 3, 5, 5. 3, 5, 5. 3, 5, 5. One time. So 1 mapping 3. 1 mapping 3. 1 mapping also 5. 2 mapping 5. So this is the function. It's not a function because the element 1 has 2 images. The element 1 has 2 images. What is the definition? One and only image. So here 1 has how many images? 2 images. So it is not a function. It is not a function because f of one has two images. One has two images. Okay, one has, the element one has two images. So that's why it is not a function. This is the first problem in the exercise 2.3. Okay, next one. Okay, clear? Is a function or not? Clear? Next. Third problem. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. F of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of. Write down the values of f of 0, the values f of 0, f of 7, first bit to f of 0, second bit to f of 7, third bit to f of minus 3. Solution. Given f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. F of x is equal to 2x minus 5. F of 0 is equal to, f of 0 means x instead of 0, x bottle 0 in the given function, 2 into 0 minus 5, that is equal to minus 5. F of 7 is equal to x bottle 7, 2 into 7, 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. F of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 5 is equal to minus 11. Fourth problem is also same problem. Fourth problem. Homework. Fourth problem. Next, fifth problem. Last problem in the exercise. Find the range of each of the following function. Find the range. Find the range of each of the following functions. First one. F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R. X greater than 0. F of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. X is a real number means what? X belongs to R. Listen carefully. First, range. Okay. So x greater than 0. First, this is the given condition. X greater than 0. E left hand side, this is left hand, right hand. Left hand side, the x reduces into 2x minus 3x. X bodulu 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. x ಬದಲು 2x minus 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ అంటే ಈ x ಪ್ಲೇಸದಲ್ಲಿ 2x minus this function range. What we want? We want the range of 2 minus 3x. The range of 2 minus 3x. So, what is the given condition? X greater than 0 is the given condition. This left hand side totally x convert into 2x minus 3x. X nu neevu simplify ಮಾಡಿ 2x minus 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದು? How to come? First multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. Multiply minus 3 both sides. So minus 3x is less than 0. X into minus 3 is equal to minus 3x. 0 into minus 3 is equal to 0. So negative means, negative value means the greater than is reduced into less than, change into less than change into greater than. So next to adding to both sides, so 2 minus 3x less than 0 plus 2. So 2 minus 3x less than 2. 2 minus 3x less than 2. 2 minus 3x 0 plus 2 is equal to less than 2. Already some results are there. Some result I did explain some result. What is that? X greater than 0 implies greater than 0 means 0 to infinity. The first number is 0, ending is there is no ending, so infinity. X less than 0. X less than 0 means this is the starting 0 belong to all negative values. So minus infinity to less than greater than means what? Open interval. Minus infinity plus infinity always, minus infinity plus infinity always open interval, because this is undefined, not defined. So plus infinity minus infinity is always open interval, is greater than or less than means open interval. So at the same way, x less than 2 means what? X less than 0 means minus infinity to 0. X less than 2 below, x less than 2 means 2 below values, not 2. Okay, so minus infinity to up to 2. So less than means open interval, less than or equal to means closed interval. For example, x less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2 means what? Minus infinity is always open interval, less than or equal to 2 means closed interval 2. So E 2 minus 3x less than 2 means this value 2 minus 3 value always below 2. Always below 2 means what is the interval? Less than 2. Less than 2 means minus infinity to 2. Minus always minus infinity open interval, minus infinity always open interval. Okay, comma less than 2. Less than is always open interval. This problem. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to x square plus 2. X belongs to R. X belongs to R means real numbers. X belongs to R means real number. So first x square is always greater than 0. X square అనేది positive way. Always positive way, because minus 1 whole square 1, minus 2 whole square 4. So x square is always positive. X cube negative or positive. X in x cube x is always total x square is always positive. So x cube is positive or negative. So x is negative means negative, x positive means positive. For example, x is equal to minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to 2 means 2 cube is equal to 8. The x cube value is depending on the x value. X cube value is depending on x value. So in the x square is always positive, because minus 2 whole square 4, minus 1 whole square 1, always positive. So x is equal to 0 means what? 0 square is equal to 0. So x square is always greater than or equal to 0. 0 also. Substitute x is equal to 0 means 0. 1 is equal to positive, minus 1 positive. Here the concept is the negative or positive. This value is not important. So this is positive or negative. So x square is always positive. So x square is greater than or equal to 0. And adding to both sides, x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. So x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 2, greater than or equal to 2, x is greater than or equal to 2 means closed interval 2 to infinity, above 2, x value greater than or equal to 2 means 2 and above, 2 means greater than or equal to or less than or equal to means closed interval, above means this is and so on means up to infinity. So this is value is closed interval 2 to infinity. The range of f of x, okay, the range of f of x is, the range of f of x is closed interval 2 to infinity. Infinity plus infinity minus infinity is always open interval. The range of 2 minus 3x or f of x is open interval minus infinity to 2, because minus infinity always open interval. The less than means open interval 2. So next one is f of x is equal to x. So third problem, f of x is equal to x means a comma x belongs to R. So x is real number, domain real number, range real number. So x square means greater than or equal to 0. X, only x. X is always real numbers. So what is the range of x? The range of x is real numbers. Okay, this is the topic. Okay, tomorrow some very important 5 marks graphs, polynomial, this is graphs. Tomorrow I will explain. So thank you.